Hello everyone, my name is Keegan with Sierra, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through our 3440 BH. So as always, our fifth wheels will come with a 2-inch thick vacuum bonded wall. That's one of the best preventions against delamination. It's a little bit more expensive and heavier, but it's definitely worth it. One of our other favorite exterior features is always this more ride step. It's super light, it's super easy. That way, if you guys have bad shoulders, it comes out super nice. It'll almost float, so that way you're not gonna crush your toes. We also offer an extended grab handle with a large oversized door. And we also have our Solera awnings by Lippert on the camp side. So this bunkhouse will come with our stainless steel appliance package. It has a really nice French door 17 cubic foot reefer. We also have a beautiful entertainment wall over here with your 50-inch TV, your electric fireplace, Bluetooth speakers. We've got a pull-out entertainment seat right here and a booth dinette that will also fold down into extra seating. So the biggest takeaway from our 3440 BH is this really cool bunk room in the back. So we do 2 full-size beds or 2 twin beds. So that way, you can actually get some grown-ups or adults back here. Or if your kids are a little bit older and finally hit that growth spurt, they've actually got enough room back here. This will actually hold, this loft up here will hold about 400 or 500 pounds. So it's a good place for storage as well, if you don't have extra people staying with you. And if you come back here around the corner, you'll see our little half bathroom that's also accessible from the outside. So to finish off the 3440, we're gonna come up to the front bedroom. You'll have a queen bed with a wardrobe slide. We also put these nice little countertops by you, so you can either obviously put your fake plants or a CPAP machine. It's nice for charging your phones. One of the other small features we do is soft close hidden hinge drawers just about everywhere in your coach. And then lastly, it's connected to your bathroom that's got a nice stand-up shower. Once again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions or want to learn anything more, check out our website, forestriverinc.com/Sierra.